Is the Messi Argentina Kith jersey worth it? In this video, we're gonna figure that one out. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo. Welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, and lifestyle, the Show Me channel. And today, we're going over this guy right here. The Argentina Messi Kith jersey. It's World Cup season right now, so I thought I should give you guys some World Cup content starting with this. So without further ado, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. Now let's get right into the review. Alrighty, removing that wrapping paper, and here we are. Alrighty, so what makes this jersey so special? Well, it pretty much pays homage to Messi's 20th year debut on the world stage. As you can see, the number on this jersey is the original number 19, which was his original number jersey. Now, more famously, this is number 10. And you know me, I absolutely love when people do an old vintage style look and has all those details. You guys know me, I think it's really cool when they do some sort of vintage re-release with all those details. It's not like they grab a random Argentina jersey and slap the Kith logo on it. They actually wanted to do something really special. So this jersey came out last month, May 29th, with a retail price of $135. Good luck getting your hands on this jersey because it's definitely been sold out since then, and resale is starting to climb up. Probably will go even more up if Messi somehow pulls off another World Cup win. All right, let's get down to the details of this jersey. So this is the vintage 2006 style Argentina jersey. I really like this one because they have, of course, the iconic white and blue stripes on there. On the front of the jersey, we have cool details like the number 19 and right there, little plaque for Kith 15th year anniversary. A little adidas logo right there on top. And I really love that gold trim and overlapping layer around this front of the jersey. It is absolutely really beautiful. Quality of this jersey is, of course, really good. 100% polyester. Stitching, as you can see, is absolutely on point, with also some really good breathable mesh wrapping around some areas. Coming to the back of the jersey, we have, of course, the legend himself, Messi's name right on top there with the original number 19. And another logo right on top. Pretty nice. On the shoulders, you can see the adidas stripe and black on both sides. Gives it a pretty nice accent and highlight. Do have a couple tags inside, of course. Right there, we have an adidas Kith logo. And then right there, a little hang tag showing off the sizing, medium, and the 2006 jersey. And then that one is being held on by another sizing tag right there. And I like how it's not just the US sizing tag, it's a bunch of other countries sizing tag. Very cool because they know everybody around the world is gonna want this jersey. Alrighty, I think that's all for the look, styling, materials of the jersey. I guess it's now time to put it on. Alrighty, so here's what the jersey looks like on body, and I gotta say, it's really nice. First of all, it fits really good. I'm about 5'11", 155 pounds, and I got a size medium, and it fits just fine. And a really good fit too. It's not like overflowy or something like that, it's just nice. And also comfortability wise, incredibly comfortable because this material is really good on skin, and it's incredibly light. Kind of feels like I'm wearing a napkin a little bit, but yeah, so here's what the jersey looks like from the front. Once again, I absolutely love this overlay gold accent. And now here's what the jersey looks like from behind. Yep, this is a really good looking jersey. Alrighty, so for styling of this jersey, you gotta make it pretty simple. I mean, this jersey is probably gonna be your statement piece of the outfit. So everything else, I kind of want to wear something simple. So normal joggers or normal shorts. Don't go too crazy with the colors. You know, use something that will kind of highlight it. So I just went with normal white joggers, or you can go with black. But I think the lighter colors work better. So if you're going to wear a pair of jeans too, I'll definitely go with a very washed jean denim look if you're going to wear jeans with this. Then for sneakers, I also just recommend just keeping it simple. you know, just wear some adidas Timeless with this. It would go really, really well. Alright, so now I'm going to go over some quick pros and cons of this jersey. First off, the pros is Kith really knocked it out of the park with the vintage look and homage details with this jersey. And it just looks really, really good. The quality, everything is on point. And with the Kith logo on there, man, it really is a nice touch instead of trying to take away from the jersey. Also, this is going to be a collectible jersey and everything. And it's an absolute head turner because it's just, one, it's Messi, so everybody's going to appreciate that, and two, it just looks really, really nice. So you're definitely going to be standing out wearing this jersey. And also, I think it's a really good fitting jersey as well. The cons of this jersey, well, I don't think there really isn't much cons. Besides maybe the price of $135, which is pretty pricey, but then again, you could probably resell this jersey really fast, no problem, for probably even more money in the future. So it's one of those things you can buy, wear, and if you don't like it anymore, for whatever the hell reason, you can go and sell it, no problem. People will pay the premium for this jersey. Which pretty much leads me to my final verdict on this jersey on a scale of 1 to 10. Yeah, I'm definitely giving this jersey a 10 out of 10. I only reserve 10 out of 10s for the most special and beautiful things, and this one is it. It's very special because it's a Kith edition, absolutely gorgeous, knocked it out of the park. There's not a dang thing I would change about this jersey. It's just amazing. So is this jersey worth it? I 100% say it is worth it. Especially if Messi brings home another World Cup. I mean, you're going to buy this jersey pretty much no matter what. And yeah, I think that's all that needs to be said for the Kith Messi Argentina jersey. What'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion. Like and share for that YouTube algorithm. And last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.